Hey guys, I thought you might like to see what a prepper's laundry room looks like. All of those wine bottles are full of laundry soap. I have another one in here, and the vintage is 2015. I think it's 2015. So that laundry soap has been sitting there for 4 years now. And I just broke some out and it works just fine. But this is also what I have down here. I have borax, washing soda, and I don't remember if this is citric acid or not, but it might be. Citric acid you can use to make cheese. You can use it in your soap making. You can use it as a preservative. And then I also have some liquid dyes so that if I have something that's white that is not staying white, I can dye it. You just dye it in the washing machine. I'm trying to think if there's anything else in here. This is not mine. We're still cleaning things out from the renters having been here, but those things are mine. They didn't use them. Generally, I have a lot of canning jars. I do have some canning jars still there. And then I have this is my seed. It has all my herbs and a whole bunch of other things. And I like to keep my seeds in these little tackle fly tying boxes. But I did leave those for my renter to use, so I'm not sure how many I actually have left over. This one is culinary herbs. This one is medicinal herbs. And I think this one is just general herbs. So I need to get through and get all those planted here as soon as I possibly can, because they also are from at least 2015. So that's what everything looks like. I have my cheese press up there. I have my Victoria, which is for making applesauce and tomato sauce and that kind of thing there. And then other little prepper things, propane, Dutch oven, stuff back there. So that's pretty much what it looks like. We are doing some laundry in the big house right now just because we've got so many people coming in and out that I don't have time to go haul water and do laundry. So when you're off grid, it's pretty easy to be off grid because you're on your own time. Things just really slow down. But when you have electricity and you join the modern world, everything just speeds up. Even if we're mostly living off grid, we're finding that we can't keep up with the normal world. So anyway, that's what it looks like right now. We'll see how it changes as we're either clearing it out to sell it or putting stuff in to live here. We just don't know which one we're doing. So hopefully that was interesting. The laundry soap looks just fine. It came out just the way it was supposed to, and it cost pennies to make it. So that's probably your supply of laundry soap for us, because it only takes a few tablespoons. And let's see, what do we have? I believe that Catherine has a recipe for bar laundry soap, which she makes with coconut oil, on the Etsy store, so make sure to go check that out. It's the soap that I took with me when I went to Hawaii, because I knew I'd be washing my clothes by hand in the sink, and it worked fantastically. All you have to do is grate it, put it in hot water, and it works like a charm. So Catherine's laundry soap recipe is on the Etsy store. So Dirtpatcheaven, I'll put that in the link in the description below, and thanks for coming in. We'll talk to you later.